In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 unconventional ways to make money with crypto. I also place in the description below a link below of a training I believe is the best crypto trading training out there. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified for future videos. Trading Bitcoin on a cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase or Kraken is far from the only way to make money and get involved in decentralized finance. In fact, education is often the only barrier standing in the way of more consumers embracing these less conventional DeFi strategies and discovering alternatives to traditional banking that can result in better outcomes and returns. If you're ready to take your crypto earnings to the next level, here are a few ways to amplify the power of your digital assets. Earn passive income with cryptocurrencies and educate yourself on the DeFi technology and its many possibilities. So here's a list of 5 unconventional ways to make money with crypto. Number 1. Staking. When you stake your cryptocurrency holdings, you put them to work. Staking cryptocurrencies is a way of earning passive income on digital assets that investors plan to hold for the long term. It's akin to an interest-bearing savings account, in that when you stake your holdings, you receive a yield percentage on those assets over time. It's a part of DeFi that Tally Greenberg, head of business development at crypto hosting provider Allnodes, says will continue to grow in mainstream popularity. While your cryptocurrency holdings are staked, they are used to prevent errors in the blockchain. Staking can be highly technical and involve validating transactions yourself, but it can also be incredibly simple, as more mainstream crypto exchanges offer consumer-friendly staking options. The downside to staking is that your assets are locked up, preventing you from trading those cryptocurrencies during the vesting period. This option is also only available for certain cryptocurrencies that use a proof-of-stake mechanism rather than a proof-of-work mechanism. Staking is not allowed on Bitcoin, for example, but staking is possible with Solana and Ethereum 2.0. Number 2. Lending. Similar to staking, investors who have accumulated a large portfolio of cryptocurrencies can lend these tokens, cash or stablecoins, to borrowers in exchange for interest payments. Unlike getting a loan from a bank, crypto lending is typically peer-to-peer lending and can be facilitated by a crypto lending platform. This option may come with more risk, as it's always possible that a borrower won't repay his or her loan. Number 3. NFTs. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, can be digital art, a video, music, or an interactive piece of digital work. But there's only one of them, and most live on the Ethereum blockchain. Individuals can be NFT collectors or creators. Creators can open the door to a global audience of potential buyers by putting their digital work on the blockchain and possibly receive royalties as their work is traded. Collectors have the chance to buy digital art or other NFTs at a low price and potentially benefit from that work's appreciation over time. NFTs can be purchased on marketplaces like OpenSea, Axie Marketplace, and Rarible. Individuals purchasing NFTs or engaging in any crypto or DeFi opportunity online can fall victim to counterfeits, scams, and misinformation. Proceed with caution and do your research before getting started. Number 4. Rewards. The world of crypto is always evolving as new projects are developed and new technologies expand. One of the most simple ways to earn extra crypto is by taking advantage of companies offering free crypto in exchange for signing up for their platform, taking an education course, or playing games. People discover new ways to earn money in the crypto space every day, says Yubo Ron, the founder of Parallel Finance. Depending on how much money you're aiming to earn, some crypto users leverage platforms such as Coinbase, earn to get paid in exchange for learning about blockchain. Others play games like Axie Infinity for play to earn opportunities with NFTs. Popular free crypto offers come from options like Coinbase Earn, CoinMarketCap Earn, and Brave, a private web browser that offers users rewards and basic attention tokens, a blockchain-based cryptocurrency. These earnings are typically small, but if you're just looking to earn a few extra tokens, going the rewards route would likely be the least time-consuming option. Number 5. Mining. Mining is an important part of the proof-of-work (POW) consensus mechanism and is one of the oldest ways to earn money with cryptocurrencies. This is the process of validating transactions and securing a POW network. To perform these functions, miners receive new coins in the form of block rewards. In the early days of Bitcoin, mining was possible on a desktop computer, but today, specialized mining hardware is required. When it comes to network maintenance, starting a masternode is also profitable. A masternode is a wallet that hosts a copy of the entire network. These two methods require a substantial amount of initial and ongoing investment backed with technical expertise. If you are looking to get into crypto mining, I placed a link of miners' deals in the description below, which is one of the most reliable sources to buy crypto miners from at the moment. So guys, this concludes a list of 5 unconventional ways to make money with crypto at the moment. You'll find in the description below the link of what I believe is the best crypto trading training out there. Give us a thumbs up and show your support in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.